If you want someone to converse, like maybe you believe that someone is using your glory, or you want him to confess something that she or he has done to you, you understand? So you need bitter cola. This is bitter cola, the cover one with the bag. You understand? So you keep it under your pillow. When you wake up in the morning, before you say a single word to anyone, cut small together with the cover. Cut small. You say your intention. You mention the person's name, right? Then cut small and you eat it. Cut it with your teeth and you eat it. So the remaining one, go and throw it outside. Throw it. You close your eyes and throw it. You understand? By the grace of Almighty God, anyone that you call his name or her name, that person is coming to converse. Or if that person is someone is using your glory, you say your intention. You understand?